Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a Kraken account freeze in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And then just navigate to the account settings page by clicking on the accounts tab. So click on accounts tab. It's going to take you to the account setting page, and there you can click on the security tab to access the account freeze settings. So once you're on the account freeze settings, click on account freeze button, and that's going to freeze your account. And you can confirm the account freeze by clicking on the freeze account button again, and then just wait for the account freeze to take effect. It might take a couple of minutes for that to take full effect. From there, you can just contact Kraken support to unfreeze your account whenever you're ready to access it again. That's pretty much it on how to set up a Kraken account freeze in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys